everyone, I'm Cadet Hassan Jasmine, and in this video, I'll be showing you the BSC check application. So, let's go! So, here is the BSC check application. So as you can see below, we have the checklist, the settings, and the info. When we click the info, it will automatically show the introduction, topics, statistics of port state security detentions, and so on and so forth. And when we click the introduction, it will show you the introduction of the application. So the purpose of this checklist is based on a statistical analysis and investigation of the deficiencies pointed out by port state control officers on board ships. So in this introduction, it also served as for you to know what is really the purpose of this application, to give you a sight and a sneak peek of the application. So here below, you can see an attached picture right here of what is a Class NKPSC bulletin. So it is an example of what would a checklist would look like right there. So now let's go back, and when we click the statistics of PSC detentions, we would see different countries right here and their deficiencies. So when we click Australia, it will automatically bring you below to this Australia country, wherein it has the category of deficiency and the type of deficiency, wherein it involves ISM, International Safety Management, the emergency systems, the sewage treatment plan, and so on. And it also have the China. So take note that the countries included here are the top 12 port states with the greatest number of detentions that was pointed out on board by the flag state or the port state control. Now let's go back and proceed with the settings. So the settings only consist the mailing list, the add checklist item, the update checklist, wherein you will be updating the application itself. And of course, we have the general settings, wherein the settings of the application is here. So you can choose from different categories right here. So if you want the display settings to be single, we could click that, but I want it on its multi format. Now if we proceed to the checklist, or the main purpose of the application is, we have here create new checklist, view and edit checklist, and send checklist. When we click create new checklist, it would automatically bring us here, wherein we have to fill up this ship, the voyage number, the country, and the port. Now let's try filling up the ship. So I'll name it as MV Hoson right there. So press OK, and the voyage number as 007, okay. And the country will be Middle East, Saudi Arabia. And the port I would choose Red Sea Port. There you go, Red Sea Port. Okay, now after filling up this necessary informations or your checklist informations, you have to click save. And once you click save, it will automatically bring you to these types of checklist. So when we click documents, it will bring you to the crew certificates, the manuals. So here below the secure certificates, it will be asking some questions. Are valid crew certificates kept on board? And of course the STCW, is it on board the ship, like that. And some manuals also. So there are a lot of questions that would be asking this type of documents. And in case that, for example, you're missing something or you want to know something more, you can add some notes right here. And then just click OK. And then if you want to, it would be much accessible to you. And you could just add the picture itself right here. So there you go. The main purpose of this application is, it would be less time consuming. And then this application is also a great help to help you to present it to the port state authorities or the port state control, so that you won't be looking up for any documentations. It would be you would be already ready to present all of the necessary documents and required certificates to be presented to the port state control. We also have the bridge, the accommodations, and the deck areas right here. All of the checklist that needs to be done. So that's the application itself, and I hope you learned something. Thank you.